This is my NOB1 fight. Okay, you see that? I touch this my Suzuki Shogun Pro 125, and then okay, let's start the engine and listen to the sounds of the pipe. Okay, start. Very fantastic. Sounds clear and then awesome. Very nice, very nice. I really admire this mic. So the quality of sounds. What I hear it again? That's enough for this Mocktail bike. Thank you for watching, guys.